Did you know that Ohio is home to more than 8 million licensed drivers? That's a population larger than many countries. But don't let that intimidate you. If you're looking to join the ranks of Ohio's road warriors, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. First things first, you need to know what type of license you need. For most people, a standard driver's license will do the trick. But if you plan on driving a commercial vehicle or a motorcycle, you'll need a special license. Next up, the all-important learner's permit. This is your ticket to gaining the practical experience you need before you can apply for a full license. To get this, you'll need to pass a written test that covers traffic rules and signs. A great way to prepare for this is by studying the Ohio Driver's Manual, which you can find on the Ohio Bureau of Motor Vehicles website. Once you have your learner's permit, you can start practicing driving. But remember, you must always have a licensed driver who is at least 21 years old in the car with you. After 6 months of holding your learner's permit and getting in plenty of practice, you're ready for the next step, the driving test. This is where you'll show off your skills to a driving examiner. They'll be looking at how well you control your vehicle, obey traffic laws, and react to different driving situations. A valuable piece of advice here is to use the car you've been practicing in for your test. Familiarity with your vehicle can go a long way in calming those test day nerves. Once you've passed your driving test, congratulations, you're almost there. The final step is to visit your local BMV office to apply for your driver's license. Remember to bring your identification documents, proof of residency, and your test pass certificate. Now you might be wondering about the cost. As of right now, the fee for a standard driver's license in Ohio is $25.75. But this can change, so always check the Ohio BMV website for the most current information. Speaking of the Ohio BMV website, it's a treasure trove of resources. From driver's manuals to sample tests, it has everything you need to prepare for your journey to becoming a licensed driver. You can find it at www.bmv.ohio.gov. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to getting your driver's license in Ohio. It might seem like a lot to take in, but remember that millions of people have done it before you. Take it one step at a time, prepare well, and you'll be joining the ranks of Ohio's licensed drivers before you know it. Safe driving.